Hey everyone, so we are here again in Traverse City, Michigan. If you've been following my YouTube channel for a while, you will remember that we've been here before with the pop-up. So if you followed the pop-up Chronicles, we're at the same campground. This is Holiday Park Campground in Traverse City. It's just south of the downtown area. We really like this area, really like this campground. The only thing is, I think they added on and now we're kind of like in like an open field type feel area. It's a little windy out, so if it's a little wind noise, that's why, but these are gravel, flat, kind of open fields. So I wish we were a little bit more in like the, what would you say, Jordan, more of like the foresty.
More camping.
Yeah, it's not awful. It's still nice. We have full hookups, we have everything, but they did definitely change it. So as with the Silver Lake setup, not a whole lot has changed since then. We are kind of grilling and using our grill more. This is the first time we've actually used the Traeger. Last time we used our friend's Blackstone, so glad we finally got to use that. We got to have a couple meals. We had dinner last night and breakfast this morning, bath and both on it, so that was really good. It comes with a picnic table as well. We got some new clips for the tablecloth. We have the canopy out. There is literally not a whole lot of shade here. Like if you look at Jordan, his legs are still in the sun.
So sunny. Just
because of where it's at. I bet you if we were here earlier in the year, it might still, we might get a little bit more because it'd probably be further back, but I'll show you guys around. My parents are coming to stay with us. I actually might do a quick video of just the dinette setup later, just because we have never had people stay with us before. We camped with people last time, but they didn't stay in our camper with us. They were in their own tent. So let me show you around and I will do a video later of the dinette setup. So we'll go inside. So as we go in, I'm gonna get this door shut. It's so windy. Nothing new here. We did yesterday because we absolutely love the Traverse City Costco. I don't know if that's a thing to have a favorite Costco, but we do. These, I think they're called like Black Label pillows, were on sale and they're really fluffy, and we had the really cheap ones from Target, and I'm so happy we bought these because it was so nice to sleep in. I did get a new, I'm gonna point it out here, I did get a new camera that I'm gonna kind of test out. I haven't messed around with it enough to film this, so I'm using my phone still, but that's a DJI Pocket 2. Very excited to try that out. Maybe I'll try it later, but for now we're just gonna stick with the phone. This is all the same. We actually have kept it pretty clean in here, and we were supposed to have 2 other people here, and we brought all of our food and everything. Lots of drinks. I like pre-made a bunch of like mixed drinks and stuff. Fridge is full again. Freezer has a few things, and then like I said, later I'm going to set this up to sleep on. We were gonna do an air mattress right here, but all you can fit is a full, and it's not really worth the $50 for the air mattress. So we're gonna lay this completely out. We have linens underneath the bed here from the pop-up that I'm just gonna kind of make work for here, because why buy more? Yeah, so that's primarily what is the typical mirror wave going on here. Not a whole lot has changed. But we really love this campground. It's a really cool place, and I'm sure we'll be back again next year, but we'll make sure that we book it a little further in advance so we can not be in the middle of a field. Our next door neighbors are here for a soccer tournament, I'm pretty sure, so you can see the field back there too. So I didn't get a video of the bed because we set it up real quick, left, came back, and my mom fell asleep. So this is generally what it looks like, and then we had a mattress pad and then sheets that don't fit it, but we just pulled what we had from the pop-up instead of buying new stuff. So really easy to do, and apparently not too uncomfortable either. So that is it. You can see I'm a little disheveled right now from the wind, and showered right before bed last night because we sat out at the campfire for a while, probably till close to midnight, and then we also watched TV before we went to bed too. So this is our last trip of the year. We're gonna winterize it about a month from now, and that's it. They have two Saturdays they winterize, and we chose the last one, and that's gonna be it for the year. And we'll join you guys again next year. Maybe I'll do a winterizing and covering video again this year, because we're actually going to move the camper from the storage unit up to my parents' place in northern Michigan area. Saves us a little money, and they are building something for us up there as well for them. Some lean-to on their barn they're building. So yeah, I'll try and do something, just one more thing before the end of the year, but that is it. We are leaving this afternoon with my parents too, because they live about an hour and a half away from Traverse City. for a thing called Kayak Bike and Brew. So maybe I'll throw a couple clips in there of that too, because we're very excited to go. I've never been. Jordan's been a couple of times, so it should be a good time. Just literally kayaking and biking around to different breweries in Traverse City. So it should be a good time. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Like I said, I'll try and do one more video this year, but this is our last trip that I know of, unless we try and sneak one more in, but I don't think it's gonna happen. So I will see you guys with the next video, whether it's another Camper Chronicles or if it's one of my DIY videos. Thanks for stopping by. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.